Hi, this is Alexandra with Beadaholique, here with a quick and easy earring design for you today that uses some Zola elements, teardrop focals that are made with wood and resin. So we'll be using the open pear-shaped teardrop, and I want to show you the nice variety we have here at Beadaholique of some circles that measure 28 millimeters across. These come in a double drilled connector, as well as these circles here in the sea green, the indigo, and the turquoise. Alternative colors for our design are a turquoise that come in opaque and the more clear color. And then over here, a really neat variation on this open focal that's the emerald, and then we have the sea green up top, some indigo, the blossom color, and again, some more turquoise. So what I've done here is go ahead and put on some jump rings of various diameters and textures, and I wanted to show you the fun ways that you can design with these earrings using anywhere from a 6.5 millimeter jump ring up to a 12.5 millimeter. And gauge wise, we have the 14 gauge being the thickest that will fit through the nice big holes of these focals. So for our earring, we're using the tangerine color with some pretty gold findings. I've got the 8.5 millimeter textured jump ring here by Nunn Design. These are actually all by Nunn Design, the jump rings. And then we'll be using a little 4 millimeter 20 gauge jump ring. I've got a sleek tapered earring hook and my pendant. For tools, all I'm going to be using are a pair of chain nose pliers and bent chain nose pliers. Really quick and easy. So let's go ahead and put this together. And I know when I started pulling these jump rings and looking at all the different variations, it really made me want to design more with these. And they come together so quickly. Great for gifts or for if you're selling jewelry. Lots of different options here. So all I'm doing is just opening these open jump rings off to the side, and I'm going to go ahead and connect them. And the neat thing about this design is it really features the Nunn Design jump rings and the textured larger sizes, which we don't necessarily get an opportunity to work with very often, but really come together nicely with these focals. So onto this earring hook, I'm just sliding my 4 millimeter jump ring. And closing it up. And these earring hooks are closed, and so it's a nice opportunity to use an open jump ring to attach that onto a design. I feel like that goes with the really clean, simple style of these earrings. So that's the Clementine drop earring. And actually, I noticed you have the option here, of course, of flipping this around and having it be symmetrical so that it would frame the face. I did them in the same direction, but you're welcome to flip those around. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please visit Beadaholique for all your jewelry making needs, and also click the notification bell and subscribe on our YouTube channel for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.